What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have the Defiant floating weatherproof lantern. Now it says weatherproof, but it don't say waterproof. So for the ones that's out there that actually know about the outdoors, if weatherproof means waterproof, let me know that in the comments. Then I can clarify if something is waterproof or if it's just weatherproof. But it says floating weatherproof lantern. It says floats when the lantern hits water. Now, I don't know if I want to test that theory because if I test that theory and if it breaks, it's definitely going back to Home Depot. So this bad boy, I think it's like $10 or so. Something fun for the family, of course. I might not be using this thing. I'm going to be honest. I got the other two lamps because I do garage work, housework, and those are the type of lights I need. I need work lights. Now, as far as this goes, this is something that, you know, could be in the house for the family if they just want a little lantern on or something. So let's get into the unboxing. All right, you guys. So here's the lantern. Very nice, little, very compact. Let's see if it got any juice in it. No juice. Let's hold it. Nothing. Oh, it says open and remove battery tab before use. Okay. It comes with batteries already. It has the it comes with the HDX batteries. I think those are exclusive for Home Depot. So we're going to remove the little protector tabs. This being all the devices when you get them. When you remove it, then the unit should work. Alright, and trash everywhere, but I'll clean that up later. Let's see. Woo! Wait a second. This is a nice work light. So this is cool. Nice battery power lantern. And as a matter of fact, let me turn the power off in the house real quick, or in this room. So this lights up pretty daggone well. Alright, now let's do another thing. I'm gonna put y'all in the basement and I'm gonna walk out of my studio with the lantern and you can see how much it brightens up. Alright, little fun experiment for us. I'm gonna put y'all in the back of the basement. Yeah. Hold on. Alright, you guys. I'm gonna put y'all all the way back here. Way back here. Hopefully I don't trip on nothing. Hopefully. Okay. Alright, you guys, so I'm aiming all the way back here. Maybe I should have put y'all back there because that stupid light right there. Alright, you guys, stay put while I put the lantern out. Alright, you guys, I am down the hall of the basement, ready to turn the lantern on. And it gets pretty bright. So if I just wanted to use this lantern for a light, in which I'm walking to y'all right now, this thing is pretty bright, you guys. 700 lumens. Coming to y'all now. And y'all can actually see how much it brightens up. I'm gonna put it on our coffee table. And now it looks like I'm in some type of scary movie. Alright, you guys, I'm going to take it up to the garage. Should I put this in water? Oh man, it says floating. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to do one last test. I will fill up a bucket of water and we will see how the floating works, and that will be it. So definitely don't click off the video. Watch what happens when I put this in water. Okay, you guys, so this is the last part of this review for the Defiant Lantern waterproof. It says floating lantern, so we are going to put it to the test right now. 700 lumens. Y'all see how bright it is? Now we're about to go ahead and put it in, and it went automatically red by itself. So let's hope that it didn't break. Nope, it didn't break, but when it goes in water, it flashes red. So I don't know if that's supposed to be an emergency, but you cannot change to any other mode. Take it back out, it turns off by itself, and then you turn it on. And then you can turn it on. It still works, but those lines that's going off is because of the camera, so don't mind those lines. And that's about it. So that hopefully makes your decision on if you want it or not. But that's about it. I submerged it and it still works. Take it out, it turns off, and it turns back on. So if you want this in water while it's like this, then sorry, but it won't stay like this. It will go like that. So that's the end of this review. It is still on sale at Home Depot. So like, comment, and subscribe.